So tell me, why Christians should condemn bribery? Why do you think Christians should condemn bribery? Because it leads to you being selfish. It degrades one's personality. Actually, bribery can lead you to jail. You see those policemen who are usually put into jail. I don't know what they normally do, but for some reason, it's not all of them. If you're very rigid and you're a policeman, they know when you take bribe, and they usually send the cameras there, and you're what? You're taken to jail. Also, if you're bribed and you're in the what? You're in the public sector. Yes, you're working for the government or you're working for the people. If it is proved you did it, you'll be jailed. Also, it promotes injustice. It is morally wrong. And now we know that the Bible condemns it, because anything that you're doing to oppress the poor, it is against the Bible. Also, let me tell you why we condemn bribery. It's because it leads to national poverty. If you're bribing yourself to get all the money, that means there's someone else who's lacking, and the common mwananchi will not benefit. So it is a widespread. Many people will be poor because they cannot get what is right for them, even if they work. Sema kitu, menyamaza sana. We talked about reasons why you should not involve yourself in gambling. We talked, yes? Yesterday we talked about it. What is the purpose of taxation? Did we talk about taxation? The purpose of tax. The purpose of taxation is number one, to raise revenue for defense purposes. Yes, your tax is used to pay the policemen who are defending us in our borders, or in case there is a what? There is a war. Also to provide social services so that we can receive free health care. We can also have an insurance and a pension scheme. Also to reduce inequality in income. That is why we are being taxed. So that now this tax can also, the poor, those people cannot afford some of the basic necessities, can be able to receive them with no pay. For example, that's why you hear there is free what? Education. So that you can be able to take your child to school without payment. Also to pay salaries for workers. Yes. Like teachers, policemen, also doctors. We also pay taxes so that we can regulate trade between Kenya and other countries. That's all about that topic. Tunapaswa kuanza law and order.